Hello lovely viewers, I welcome you to Omades. Please, if today be the first time you're visiting the channel, please kindly subscribe for more tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to curl a page. So first of all, I take my ellipse tool, then I put my hand on control to draw a perfect circle. Then I take interactive fill, then I click on this, then I come to elliptical fountain, then let's say I put a color here, then I put another color here. Let me make this one more lighter. Or you can click here and choose the color that you want. Good. I can also increase the darkness of this one a bit. Good. I remove the outline. Then I copy it by putting my hand on a shift. Then I press down the mouse button, that's the left click. Then I right click to duplicate it. It has been duplicated. Look, yes. Undo. Then I change the color of this one. I pick my interactive fill. This time around, I change the color like this. Put a white here. I put a color here. Then this one, I'll make it linear fountain like this. So the colors will be different. Good. I hope you are following the tutorial processes. Here still remains Omades. Yeah, something like this. Put another white here. Then I put deep ash here. Good. After I right click, I go to order to back of page like this. Good. Let me reduce it a bit. Now I copy one outside. I group this one. I take a rectangle tool. I draw something like this. I fill it with any color I want. I remove the outline. I put it here. I click on 1, 2 to bring me this rotational sign. Then I rotate it. Like this. Then this one is already selected, this blue line. So I'm selecting together with this object. So I press my hands on a shift key, then I click on the object. It has been selected together. You see? Good. Now, after it has been selected together, by first of all, you have to first select this one. Then you select the second object. Then you come here, trim. Trim means to cut. So I'm using this one as my cutting tool to cut this object. So let's see if it has cut. You see, it has cut this place. But because I grouped, it's still joined together. So you ungroup. This one, you ungroup. Then you click on first color. That's the red blended color. Then you come here, break apart. Okay. Then select the ash one to break apart. Now this place is break from this one, you see. Okay, undo. Then I group this one. Then let me also group this one. Okay, now I come here, I put it there like this. Then I click on this one, mirror horizontally and mirror vertically like this. Have you seen? Then you put it at the right place. Have you seen? Now let me take the shadow and give it a shadow. Good. Then I regulate it here. So this is the first one. This is the first one. Then I copy this one. The same thing. This time around, let me clear the shadow. Yeah, clear the shadow. Okay. Now I put it there like this. Then I want to fill this color at this place. Okay, so you first select here, then you come to interactive fill, then you come to copy fill. It will give you this arrow. Then where you want to sample the color, you shoot it at that place. So I want to sample the color from any part here, then I click there. You see? Good. Now let me give it a shadow. You see? Now you see the difference? Good. Now the same thing, I put it here. This time around, you go to bitmaps, convert to bitmap, then press OK. Now you go to effect, you come to 3D effect, then come to page curl. Come here, you see this one, it curls from the left top corner. You can curl from left down, and this one too, it continues like that. You see so let me maintain this one. Then the direction where it goes, this one horizontal is selected. Let's see vertical. You see the vertical. Let's maintain the horizontal. Then the paper. Okay, do you want it opaque or transparent? This is transparent, this is opaque. Now you can also change the color here. You see, this one is not good. Let me make it light like the first one. Good. This one is good. Oh, let me check ash. Ash is also not bad. A mix of ash and a bit yellow. Good. And transparent too is good. So this one too. Then the width. Okay, the width is how thickness it goes. Okay, like from here to this place, that's the width. Okay, from here to that place, that's the width. Okay, good. I want it like this. Then height is from this place to this place, this place to this place. So see, you see from here to here. Once you increase here, then it also comes. Okay, good. So I want it like this. So okay, so that's the first shape. It has different 3 curls. Okay, now let's go on to the second shape. Now I take a rectangle tool, I draw a rectangle like this. Then I fill it a color with fountain fill. Let's choose a color like this. Sorry. I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. If you have any comment, kindly drop it under the comment section. Then I click on elliptical. Let me change this one. This one should be out, and the middle will be a bit lighter like this. Good. Good. Well, let me click here and choose the color from here. Good. Let me add another color at the middle here. Something like this. Good. Then I remove the outline. Good. Then let me copy this like this, like I did the elliptical one. Then I change the color. This time I want to copy this ash to fill here. So I click on this. This one is selected. Okay. I click on this. Good. This one is selected. I want to sample here, so, and click on this. Then come here, copy, fill, gives you this arrow, then you shoot it. Okay, good. Now you right click, order to back of page like this. Please, if you have any comment, kindly drop it under the comment section. Then like I did the first one, I copy one out. Then I draw a shape like this. I fill it with any color. You can reduce it. Then none. I remove the outline. I click on second time and rotate it. Put it somewhere here. Sorry. Then I have to group this one first. Sorry, I have to group the first design first. So I've grouped it together. Now I click on this. Then I select the second object, which is the shape or this object. Then you click on trim. Now it has trim. Okay. Then you ungroup it. Then you break it apart. The first one, then the second one, you break it apart. Now I group this one together, this place, I group it together like this. Good. Then I group this one also together. Or I can leave it when I finish. For the second one, it's not necessary. So you come here, 1, and then 2, like this. It has gone down, so you have to right click, order, front of page, like this. Then you place it well. You see? Then you take a shadow, and give it a shadow from this place, like this. Then you control it. Control it. Good. So this is the first one, and then the second one like this. You do it different so that you understand well. And I shouldn't have deleted the, oh sorry, shouldn't have deleted this one. So I copy it here like this. I group it. I put this one here somewhere like this. It should be up, other, front of page. So I select this shape first, then I select the second one, then I trim. Okay, so after I ungroup it, then I break it apart. This one is still with this one. Okay, look, yeah, and this one to the same thing, it's still joined, though here is cut, but it's still joined. So I have to break it. I have to break it apart. Click here, break. Now you see, good. Then the down one too, I break it apart. Sorry, I group here, then I mirror it horizontally and vertically, then I bring it up, front of page. Here still remains Omades. If you have any comment, kindly drop it under the comment section. And if you have you can also subscribe for more tutorials. Then this time around, I want to fill this color all here. So this one is selected. I come here, I pick interactive fill, then I come here, copy color. Gives me this arrow. Where do you want to copy that color, or where do you want to sample that color? I want to copy here and fill here, so I click here. Good. Now you see, then let me give it a shadow also. Shadow, then give it something like this. Good. Then now the last one, that is this one. Bring this one here like this. Come to bitmap, convert to bitmap. Okay, then I come here. Sorry, let me zoom here. You come to effect, 3D effect, come to page curl. Now let's put it outside. Then you see, it's similar. Okay, so let me take this one, not bad. Okay, so that is that. This one I've shown you how to control this place, so it's okay. So this is it. So viewers, this is the end of this tutorial, and if you have any comment, to kindly drop it under the comment section. There's how a page is being curled. Okay, yeah. And as time goes on, like I said, subscribe, you click on the notification bell, then you select all, so that you'll not miss out any new videos that I will upload. Thank you for your time, and please kindly subscribe for more tutorials. Bye bye.